Okay, send this to your parents. Okay, so it appears your child has a very bad case of fidgetitis, which basically means they have a big addiction to fidgets. And there is a very, very simple solution. Unfortunately, this is the only way you can get rid of it. So, what you have to do is buy them more fidgets. I know it sounds silly, but it's the only way you can cure it. You have to buy them around 5 to 6 boxes off Amazon or eBay, and then take them to shops and they can go fidget hunting. Trust me, it's the only way their fidgetitis is going to be cured. If not, your child will have fidgetitis forever. Your choice, parents, your choice.